Hello, Siri. Show me a Sudoku. Yes, a two-star Sudoku. Yes, of course. This is a two-star Sudoku. And yeah, this one is not in today's newspaper in additional. No, because today's newspaper is on Monday, August the 30th, 2021. And today we have no additional. No. So I've decided to solve the Friday, no, not the Friday, the Wednesday edition, because in the Friday edition there was also no extra Sudokus, no additional. So I have solved the whole page of the Thursday edition. Yes. So Wednesday edition is left with 3 unsolved puzzles. Sudoku with 2 stars are left, and the tectonic with 1 star. Alright, 2 star Sudoku number 3319. Before I start, I always count up 20 digits. Well, the 2 stars has 26. Correct me if I'm wrong. And for 2 star Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Let me see. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. Alright. Then 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So first column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Alright. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 7. I need to wait. How about the last column? 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 and a 5 in this big square, so no 1 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, of course. 1 and a 5. So now 2 numbers left in the last column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 and the 9 are missing. 8 and the 9. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. So we have an 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, and a 4 is missing. 1 and a 4. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. Then 6 in this row. 6, the last row. 6 in the row above, so in that row, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Cannot fill this there yet. Need to wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. Yeah. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. There 1, no 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. 3, 4. 3, 4, 5. Okay. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. These 2 missing numbers in this big square here, we have a 2 and a 9. The other pair should be the numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and a 4. Here also 3 and a 4. 3, 4, and the 2 should be here. Okay. We have a 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 4 should be there. Alright. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 3 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in the second column. Those numbers are the 1. The 2 is missing, the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. 2, 2. Then. Nine. Let me think. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Okay. So 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. 1 and a 5, and look, we have a pair here, 1 and a 5. So what are the other 2 numbers? In this row, the third row, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 4 and a 9. 4 and a 9. Well, cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about those 2 numbers in this column? The 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. Yeah. 1 and a 5. Again, we have a 1 here. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, the middle row. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Alright. 1, 1. 4, 9. Remember, yes. How about the 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 9. 8 and a 9. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. And oh, the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 8. Alright. 1 number left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. Now we have a 9 here, so this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. And this box should be 8 too. And I remember these 2 boxes are reserved for the 4 and the 9. Here we have 1 and a 5, 4 and a 9, and now we have a 9 here. So no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. Alright, 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 3 should be here. 3 in this column, last column, 3 in that column. So the column in between, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing, 3, the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about this box is missing in this big square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. Okay, the 9. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9's are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 9. 1 box left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1. The 2 is missing, 3, the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, we see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Yeah. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column in between the middle column, the only place for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box is going to be 1 anymore, that box should be a 1, and this box should be a 5. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 1 and a 5. Now we have a 1 here, so this box is going to be 1 anymore, that box should be a 1, and this box should be a 5. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So a row between the second row. The only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1. The 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 there. So this box is going to be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. And the final 2 numbers of this big square. 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, and the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow. What a pace. What a speed. I didn't notice that I'm really surprised. Anyway, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle of not for today, in the Wednesday edition. Yes, we have a 1 puzzle left, tectonic with 1 star. So is this really worth 2 stars? No. Let me give this a 1 star. Thank you again for watching. See you later. Bye bye for now.